Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another video. The video of today is all about the JBL headphone. Now, I got the JBL headphone. You'll ask yourself, are these headphones legit? Now, for further info, let us just unbox them. Well, inside the headphones, I have them already here. I just opened them. You know what I'm saying? I just opened them already. And inside the box, you get a clean box like this one. What I mean here, guys, is that you have these earphones. Can I just can I just remove them or something? This is how it's supposed to be packed. Now, this is how this JBL headphones looks like. And you'll see it's like it looks like an emoji or something, huh? Okay. Inside this box you get headphones, and you get the USB charging 2.0, which is quite not bad. This USB, it makes the workflow great. Now inside the box you get nothing else, just this holder. Boom. Now let me just explain upon the JBL headphones. Now these headphones are not that much original. Actually, what I mean here, these are cloned version of original JBL headphones. Now it may get you like frustrated because this is a cloned version, but can it get the job done? Because what we're looking here is that there are plenty of manufacturers we know that they create or they design great headphones, but they are great kind of people who minifies that headphone and give it at a minimum price. But are they legit? Now let us just test them. As you can see, guys, there's a button here. Just hold the button and the speaker, it will just glow and try to speak to you. Actually, you'll know that this is just a clone because it speaks like a Chinese woman inside of the headphone. And I was like, okay, headphone like this one, you can just take these headphones and you dock them. But what happens here, whenever you dock them, this headphone turns its own self off. You know why it turns off its own self? Because it detected another function. Now I think that's how the architecture made it like that. Another kind of stuff, whenever it turns off, you need to turn it on again. Now when you turn it on, you'll have both of earphones, I mean the headphone and the earphone, working all of them together. Now if you're having your mate, like you're here listening this other earphone, you can give it to your friend and he or she listen to the music or anything which you guys are listening to. So I find it's very legit. And another kind of stuff upon this cloned headphone of JBL E40 BT, they introduced SD card slot. Now I wonder why did this cloned one they did it, but I think they try to make it become a differentiation between the original and this one. So that's the main differentiation. So if you're outside looking for headphones and you want to go and buy an headphone and you see a well-packed box, because this blow my mind, like serious guys, you find this on the store and you're like, damn, it's well printed. The document, the box, what am I saying? The document, the box is very legit. It freaks out, like seriously, it freaks out, and you find yourself like jumping in and buying and headphones which are not legit, and somebody may sell for you at a certain price which you didn't want to, because you find them there like, oh, this is a legit. Now the main thing which you'll be looking that the headphone does not support a memory card slot, because if it's a Bluetooth, well, we know that Bluetooth, they connect to the phone and you listen the music and they go. Now you don't need a memory. What do you need a memory? Why did he just do that? Differentiation between clone and the original. Now this is the JBL headphones, and I kind of like them the way they twist themselves. They're kind of good, because whenever you're wearing and you just don't want to listen to music, you can just keep them this way and jump into the conversation, which is quite amazing, not bad. Another kind of stuff, you can just put them this way, still they look legit, huh? I look great on this one, huh? Yeah. And another kind of stuff, you can just toss them and you can tighten them, like you can tighten them and listen to the music on the go, like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? But this, for traveling, I give them go. For listening to the normal kind of days, you can just group with these ones, normal earphones, they're legit, or you can just group with the earbuds. So soon we'll be dropping the video of earbuds, but these are the JBL clone version of BT. They're calling the BT40. Now I was like, E40 BT, I was reversing the name, come on. It's E40 BT, which is quite amazing. So these are the impression of the JBL. Let me know in the comments down below what's your thought, guys, and do you think these earphones, are they much worth it, or are just like cloned? It's just a clone and you just don't need it. You can just take it and toss it away and throw it away. Gives you some headache on the earphones. Okay, my recommendation to this earphone, the budget. First of all, the budget. If you want something which is in a low end, which get the job done in a certain amount of minimum time, while you're looking forward to grab that dopest, I mean the high-end price tag of JBL, you can just go and grab it. But for a moment whereby you just need to travel, or you just need an headphones to make your videos or listening to something to get that job done, I give them this one. They're kind of great to my own impression. They're not bad to get started with, but they're quite not that great, not best. The best of the headphones, they're not quite amazing. So this is the JBL E40. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you drop the thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe to the YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe and show your homeboy some love by liking the video, and if you can, you just share the video to be amazing. And another kind of stuff, guys, I'll be catching you guys on the next video, while me, I'll be catching my JBL here to the studio, and that's what's up. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Rock